Hi guys, good morning. This is your morning work for the day. I'm just going to go over it to make sure you know how to do it. I hope you woke up feeling fresh and great, and I miss you guys. The first part of your morning work is up here. You are going to find the middle sound for each of these words, and it tells you to use the sound. So I want you to put the letter that goes in between each of these words. And then you can get really smart and creative and think of other vowels you can put in it. So first this would be k, up, cup. But what happens if I put an in the middle of it? Then it would be k, op. What happens if I put a in the middle of it? K, app. So I want you to write the sound, but I want you to also use your brain and get creative and see what other words you can make. For the subtraction part, I think it will be best to draw a picture and cross out the numbers. You can even just draw it right below your problem. So if I have 7 minus 3, I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and cross out 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? If you want to draw it on a bigger piece of paper, you're welcome to do that also. This looks different, but it's the same thing. So you have 4 and you take away 0. That's a little bit tricky, but I know you can figure it out. On the bottom part, you are going to add the correct ending punctuation. So if I say, "Are you sad?" am I saying a question, a sentence, or command, or am I saying it super exciting? "Are you sad?" But it is still a question. I'm asking you something, I expect a response. So remember, when you have a question, you're expecting someone to respond to you. So this one, "Are you sad?" You're waiting for an answer. That means it is a question mark. Then in this box right here, you're going to draw a picture of your favorite sentence. You can get creative, and I look forward to seeing your pictures and all your work. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Bye, guys.